Hello students, welcome back to our online lesson. Okay, so this time we will proceed to our lesson 8 and still we are focusing on listening activity, okay? Because your teacher wants you to maximize your listening skills. And since I am your English for communication teacher, you need to exercise your listening and speaking skills. Okay, so that's why we are going to tackle our listening activity, which is arranging the sentence. Okay, so this lesson, you are going to listen to the speaker and then you have to arrange the speaker's daily routine. Okay, you have to arrange the sequence of the speaker's daily routine. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's start. All right, let's have a warm up. Let us listen to the speaker and try to arrange the speaker's daily routine. Are you ready, students? Okay, I'm going to play the audio and listen carefully so that you can know and understand the sequence of the speaker's daily routine. Okay, listen carefully. I usually get up at quarter to seven every morning, and then I get dressed and get ready for school at quarter to eight, and I go to school at 20 past eight, and I get to school at 10 past nine and goes to class. And then I watch TV or play video games after dinner each night. All right. So, did you understand, students, the speaker's daily routine? I will show you the speaker's daily routine. So, as you see, this is not in a proper sequence, okay? So, this is disarranged, okay? You're going to rearrange this speaker's daily routine. Okay, I'm going to play again the audio. Listen carefully so that you can get the sequence of the speaker's daily routine. Okay, listen again. I usually get up at quarter to seven every morning, and then I get dressed and get ready for school at quarter to eight, and I go to school at 20 past eight, and I get to school at 10 past nine and goes to class. And then I watch TV or play video games after dinner each night. All right, see? Now, let us arrange the sequence of this daily routine. Okay, so according to the speaker's daily routine, the first the first daily routine of the speaker is, what do you think? Okay, so the speaker gets up at 6:45 every morning, or he usually gets up around quarter to seven. Okay, so don't be confused, students, na? Okay, so 6:45 and quarter to seven is the same. Okay, so that's the first routine of the speaker. Now, what's next? After he gets up around quarter to seven, what do you think is the next routine? All right, so the speaker gets dressed and gets ready for school at quarter to eight. Okay, so quarter to eight or 7:45 a.m. Okay, do not be confused of the time expression. Okay, so 7:45 and quarter to eight is the same. Okay, What's the next routine of the speaker? What do you think? Okay, the speaker gets up around quarter to 7, and then he gets dressed and gets ready for school at quarter to 8. And then what's next? Okay, so the speaker goes to school at 20 past 8 every morning. Okay, so 20 past 8 or 8:20 in the morning or every morning. Okay, what's the next routine? After he goes to school, what's next? Okay, so the speaker gets to school at what time? 10 past 9 and goes to class. Okay, so 10 past 9 is 9:10. Okay, so always remember the time expression. Okay, and then of course, the last is the speaker watches TV or plays video games after dinner each night. Alright, so see, that's the sequence of the speaker's daily routine. Okay, did you understand, students? If you listen carefully, you can easily get the sequence. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so I'm going to play another speaker's daily routine. Okay, so listen carefully and then try to arrange the daily routine. Okay, so I will play the audio. I usually take a shower at quarter past 7, and then I have a cup of coffee and read the paper at 8, and then I have lunch with my friends at quarter past 12, and then I go to work at my part-time job between 3 in the afternoon and 8 in the evening, and then I have dinner and wash the dish around 9 each night. Okay, did you get, students? All right, so maybe let's try one more time. Okay, let's listen again so that you can see the sequence of his routine. Okay, I will play one more time. I usually take a shower at quarter past 7, and then I have a cup of coffee and read the paper at 8, and then I have lunch with my friends at quarter past 12, and then I go to work at my part-time job between 3 in the afternoon and 8 in the evening, and then I have dinner and wash the dish around 9 each night. All right, class. Now, let's arrange this speaker's daily routine, okay? So what do you think is the first routine of the speaker? All right, so according to the speaker, the first routine is okay. So the speaker takes a shower at 7:30 each morning. Okay, so 7:30 is 7:30 in the morning. Okay, so what do you think is the next routine? Okay, after he takes the shower, okay, the speaker has a cup of coffee and reads the paper at 8 a.m. Okay, and then after that, what's next? Okay, the speaker has lunch with his friends at Quarter past 12. Okay, quarter past 12 or 12:30. All right. Do not forget the difference of the time and the time expression, okay? What's next? What do you think? All right, so the speaker works at his part-time job between 3 in the afternoon and 8 in the evening. Okay. And then obviously the speaker has dinner and washes the dish around 9 each night. Okay. So if you understood the speaker's narration, okay, your answer will be correct and precise. Okay, so that's it, students. That's how we sequence the daily routine of the speaker. Okay, so this is your activity now, students. So this time, you're going to rearrange the following speaker's daily routine and you are going to write this in your notebook. Okay, I'm going to play another speaker's audio and then arrange the sequence of the speaker's daily routine. Are you ready? Alright, so let's begin. Every morning I wake up at 6:15 and then I go to work at 7:45 and then after that I have lunch at 12:15 and then I go home at usually 4:15. Then I have dinner at 6 p.m. and then I go to bed at 9:45. All right. Did you get, students? Did you understand? Okay, so this time I am not showing the sequence or the order of the speaker's routine. Okay, so this is your activity. Write this to your notebook and I am going to check it. Okay, so I will play it one more time. Listen carefully so that you can easily get the sequence. Okay, listen. Every morning I wake up at 6:15 and then I go to work at 7:45 and then after that I have lunch at 12:15 and then I go home at usually 4:15. Then I have dinner at 6 p.m. and then I go to bed at 9:45. All right, students. So all you have to do is rearrange the speaker's daily routine. Okay. I believe that you can do this. Okay. I know you're good. Okay. So that's our activity for this lesson. Do not forget to write this to your notebook because this is your activity for this lesson. I'm going to check it. Okay. So that's our lesson for today, students. I hope you had enjoyed another listening activity, and this will serve as your practice on listening to the speaker, okay, and understand what is he saying, okay? So, thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, students. And we will see you again next time. Goodbye.